discuss platform as a service. Platform as a service gives us ability to have an environment for building, testing, and deploying any of our mobile applications or software applications without having to invest in the infrastructure behind it. So the goal is for developers to be able to spin up and create their applications and their infrastructure really quickly without having to manage that underlying infrastructure. So you can deploy a web application using PaaS, but you don't have to install the operating system. You don't have to do any system updates. It's all managed for you, right? So it's a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud, because as a developer, you're not worried about the infrastructure and the servers. This takes up your time. So by Azure offering you a platform as a service, it's here you go. Here's your platform. It's ready for you to build, test, and deploy on, and you only worry about your application and your code and leave the infrastructure to us. Platform as a service offers many development tools, database management, SDKs, for example, monitoring tools. These are all built into your platform as a service. You get a choice of multiple operating systems. Maybe you want a Windows operating system. Maybe you need a Linux operating system. Maybe you're getting into machine learning and you want a machine learning fine-tuned operating system. These are there for you. You don't have to go and procure these things. Servers and storage. What would have taken you as a developer a lot of time to procure the servers, procure the storage, set it all up, configure it, right? When that's not even your main goal. Your main goal is to get that application out there. So platform as a service takes away that procuring and configuring and managing of servers and storage. You just work on your code software application. Networking is another thing you have to get into if you don't go platform as a service. If you manage all this yourself, now you're managing your network. Again, far outside the scope of what you're trying to accomplish. And the data center, the physical building itself, right? The air conditioning, the heating, the security, all this stuff. So this is things that you as a developer don't want to deal with. And when you use a platform as a service, you don't have to, because the service provider takes care of all this for you. Platform as a service is typically used for a few scenarios.